I'm Jordan, and I'm now going to talk to you about the Breakout Buckets creation. So in the Breakouts area of the admin dashboard, I simply create a room and select the bucket option. In here, I can select a name for my bucket and describe it. I need to set a start time. This can be the same as the start time for another breakout. We can run multiple breakout sessions concurrently, so don't worry about overlapping. I can also set whether there is a speaker in the breakout buckets. This means that they will appear in the speaker's sidebar on the main platform. Most of the time, I would imagine you would not need to use this function. I can set up a feedback form to be pushed to all participants at the end of the bucket. For this one, we're not going to do that. Now here is where the bucket specific features come in. Maximum per room is simply the maximum number of people you want inside a bucket. This can be as large as 30 or as small as 2. So if I wanted to have really specific conversations between 2 people, I can set that as 2. Whereas if I wanted to have a wider conversation between, say, 10 or 12 people, I can set a bucket size of 12. Once that room has 12 participants in it, the platform will automatically create a second bucket and start putting people into that one. This all happens invisibly, so users will never know how many buckets are active or which bucket they're getting placed into. I can then set a maximum number of buckets. So let's say there are 10 of these. This will allow a total of 120 delegates to enter this breakout. Finally, again, I can set a partner for this breakout session, and I can toggle whether I want the breakout chat on or off. So that's the buckets.